Hey guys, today's profile pop-up is for Sajith. I want to point out here in the picture, it may work for you for what we're about to get into, but consider you want a professional photo typically, smiling like you are, very good, looking straight at us the way you typically look. This to me looks like you're wanting to travel, you're trying to show that off, you're like a guide, tour guide, that's kind of the thing. Now, maybe that's true because operations, though, is the first thing that I see about your name, right? And you've got a nice, interesting background there. We zoom in a little bit. I presume that was you, and there's some meaning behind that. But it's a nice background, draws us in. You could, if it weren't as busy, you might be able to add some words and tell us why you have that on there. Maybe that's an event, as we'll get into. Maybe that's an event that you helped coordinate. So I look at your about. I'm trying to understand more about you. I am specialized in corporate events, entertainment, auditions, etc. Okay, if you're specialized, I'm expecting lots of experience, lots of years of experience. Right then, I see you're an operations intern. You were an event coordinator before that, another intern, I think maybe an intern, and an analyst. So you've been trying some different things. You're right now currently an intern. And what I would say is, even just looking at this, you've got 3 points here in your experience. 3 to 4 points roughly. Your bullets are off a little bit in that most recent one. But I'm not seeing the actual results, the things that you learn from this, and I'm not seeing how it is drawing you in and making us know that this is what you really want to be doing. So don't just say that you're an intern, and also I would suggest not having your resume or CV attached, because if you all of a sudden are available, someone finds you for a position that, after your intern, the intern doesn't happen, and they like you for something else, but your resume says completely something different, you may not get that job. So a resume attached to your LinkedIn can rule you out. Whereas, the resume is designed to be on a piece of paper. It's not designed to be LinkedIn. LinkedIn is so much more. So when you say specialized, I'd rather say something more about how passionate you are, how focused you are. Focus in on a few things. Tell us, instead if I open this up, you got a whole bunch of things there. I don't know what it is you're trying to focus on. I don't know if you'd be right for what I want to do and what I might hire you for. So try to focus it in, and the same goes back for your headline. Because if we back out a second here, come on, try it a different way. There we go. So your name, by the way, is common. I had a hard time trying to tag you, and I had to type in part of the current company you're at, Maximus. Because if I didn't, notice what will happen is, I only see a few first words, by the way. That's my main point there. But if I don't have the Maximus, I don't see you. And there's other people named with the exact same name. So you got some issues there too. Anyway, I wanted you to see, though, that was the big point. And if we don't know exactly what you're after, we're not going to find you. So it's important that you focus in, and I apologize, but this isn't showing you anymore. The results aren't there, and see what happens even if I put this in again. Now I've lost it, and that shows you the trouble that somebody else might have if they're trying to find you. So anyway, if I do the full search, let's try that too. Here's all the other people that I can see, and you're not showing up in that list. Not that I'm seeing here. I'm scrolling by fast. So you've got a lot of competition. Anyway, focus that in. Hopefully you just saw enough right there from that, and make sure that I either do it this way. That's how I had to do it in the first place. There you go. Make sure that you focus in. Tell us what you're all about. Add more results if you can in the experience. And my classic thing I love to say, add more skills, of course. And my classic thing is, turn off the competition. You are going to be looking for a job soon. You don't want to be showing other people that can do the same. All right, hope that helped. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much.